Well, let's talk a central system. That's a system that ties into your furnace in your house. They both look pretty much identical. They have an indoor unit that goes above the furnace, and they have a large outdoor box that sits outside your house. The difference between an air conditioner and a heat pump is something called a reversing valve. So an air conditioner, in essence, takes the heat from inside your house, transfers it outside, and expels it out that box. With a heat pump, there's a valve in there that reverses the flow of the refrigerant. In essence, it takes the heat from outdoors and transfers it into your house to provide you heat in the wintertime. You say in the wintertime, it's pretty cold outside, where does it get the heat? Well, some new technology right now can extract heat down below -25 Celsius from the air outside and transfers it into your house and provides nice warm air. The technology has just gone crazy over the last 10 years.